What up, homies?
Welcome back to another vid. Yeah, guys, it went out here. It's snowed real hard. Yeah.
He shouldn't be in tennis shoes. He probably should be in boots, but he would rather wear tennis shoes.
Well, it's fine. Boots are fine. Right? Oh, hey, that's thick. Look how thick this thing is.
That's huge.
Remember when we saw one that was like...
Yeah?
Yeah. Guys, we saw one that was like shaped like Kentucky, actually.
Yeah, it was. It was pretty cool.
Just some powder. Not anything big. Just some powder. Well, guys, I don't know what we're gonna do. This is just gonna be like a vlog. Just checking out what happened with all the snow. You know what I'm saying? We're just gonna look at the tree.
The tree across the street fell over, or at least half of it did.
Yeah. Pretty bad. Look at that, you can't even see it. What if I do without anything? It's gonna... Whoa! Alright, guys. Think we should do Snow Angel?
No, it's too icy, Boogie.
We were out here yesterday.
We did, and we shoveled all this part that
And
Michael's
now it's
in
just
front
not
of, and
done.
now it's covered again.
Didn't stop it.
It's harder now, though, because it's ice came down.
Ice is dangerous. Yeah, it's pretty cold out here.
It's freezing.
Well, guys, I will be making a short and about like another one. I did do a short last night about what was it? Yeah, I was like, whoa, this is really covered out here. You remember that short?
Yeah.
Yeah. I'll be making another one about doing anything. I don't know. I saw this thing with like a bottle flip that Mom can do, but the possibilities are endless. We don't really know what to do. That's why it's cold.
It's freezing. Probably won't be out here long because I'm already freezing. And we're packed pretty tight.
Are these footprints from you, Mama?
No, there was somebody just walked past a little while ago.
Oh, yeah. Dang. He must have big feet. I mean, shoes.
It looks like a grown man. Careful.
Yeti.
A Yeti. Bigfoot.
I feel like not on Christmas. It like
This would have been
actually-
beautiful at Christmas.
Yeah. Like
But we had no snow at Christmas.
when you watch like or when you hear like the White Christmas video, you're like, yeah, it's gonna be White Christmas, guys. This song is correct. And then you don't have it until January.
You're gonna have a white birthday.
Yeah. In the next
few days.
6?
Your birthday's Friday.
Well, guys, white after Christmas. Tonight, it might not be a short, it might be just me. Like being me, you know what I'm saying?
Sounds good.
Let's help the car. Let's help goofy real quick.
I was gonna get my scraper and
Shiva,
brush out the car, but I couldn't open the doors. They were frozen.
Chip. Jeez, ice is strong.
I know.
Chip. Let's get the shovel. Omega giant. Level up, baby. Look at this. Level up to one that I had last time. Trash. If you didn't know, guys, we were, what were we doing? Yeah, we
We're
were
shoveling.
Yeah, we were shoveling.
the driveway.
And I had this green shovel.
He had a garden shovel,
Yeah.
mini shovel.
Right.
Then came to realize we had two. We had two
We're gonna.
shovels in the garage,
Jeez.
so we didn't know. I know it's frozen, baby.
Oh, we got brown. We got brown snow.
Yeah.
It's probably just dirt. Alright, let's inspect. Oh man, we didn't get any Kentuckies. Oh guys,
I think it's best we go
I
in.
think we should wrap this video up.
I think we're gonna wrap it up and head inside, you guys. It's pretty cold out here.
Yeah.
Well, we definitely wanted to show you guys the winter wonderland we're in.
Outside.
It's beautiful, but it's cold.
Hashtag not really sponsored by.
True.
Yeah. Not sponsored
It's our
by
team, though.
Patriots.
It's our team, though. All right.
Well, guys, we wrapped this video up. Thank you for watching. Yeah, it's been fun. Watch other our videos. We have game time videos of mostly me. Like you haven't been. Like we need to do like 2-player, you know?
Yeah.
We need to do like a 2-player thing.
Yeah.
But
Come this way, so I don't get her in the camera. I will. All right, come on.
well, guys, we're gonna wrap this video up. Thank you for watching and have a great day.
Hit the Taco Bell icon.
Yeah, I'm gonna stop saying that.